Stop! Don't throw that away! Your phone has a secret superpower. Every year, families throw away thousands of dollars in food. That's bad for your wallet and bad for Mother Earth. Watch this. I take a photo of these 3 random leftovers. I ask my AI chef to find a hidden recipe. Boom! It turned an old egg and a lonely onion into a gourmet sunset omelet. It's like a video game, but you get to eat the prize. AI saves the planet one snack at a time. Follow me to save more money and the Earth.